Tired of your brand voice getting lost in the noise? It's time to scale your content creation with the intelligence of agentic AI. The digital landscape demands constant, high-quality content, but keeping up is a major challenge. You don't just need to publish more, you need a strategy to publish better, faster, and smarter, all while maintaining your unique brand authority. The solution is AI content creation by design right for you. We combine cutting-edge AI with expert-led strategy to transform your output. We leverage the power of agentic AI. This is more than just generative AI. It involves autonomous agents working together to complete complex tasks, just like a well-structured team. Our automated workflows take content from concept to completion seamlessly. Imagine a blank page rapidly populating with high-quality text and images in real time. That's the flow of automation. The output is not just volume. It's high-quality and SEO-optimized content, built from the ground up to rank and engage your audience. Critically, our process maintains your unique brand authority. The AI is trained to understand and replicate your specific voice. We ensure your unique brand voice is consistent across every single piece of content, preventing the robotic, generic feel of standard AI tools. The entire process is streamlined, from initial research through efficient drafting to final SEO optimization. It's a workflow designed for maximum efficiency and quality, but the automation is backed by human expertise, guaranteeing exceptional quality and credibility. I bring over 15 years of experience as a Google Product Expert Gold. This means I personally ensure your AI-driven content is held to the highest standards. Every piece of content is rigorously checked to meet Google's crucial EEAT framework: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, as well as the latest helpful content guidelines. The result is simple. You publish better content that drives superior business results. Imagine your AI-generated articles consistently holding the #1 search position, establishing real authority and driving qualified traffic to your site. It's time to stop manually juggling content tasks and start operating a powerful, streamlined content engine that works smarter, faster, and more reliably. Ready to transform your brand's content output? Build your automated content engine today and leave behind the struggle of manual content creation. Visit designrightforyou.com now to get started and claim your unfair advantage in the world of content marketing.